Zhejiang My Way Company Limited, started in 2005, mainly produces fastener products. With the continuous development of business, the company invested in tool products, established Zhejiang My Way Company Limited in 2015, with a registered capital of 50 million RMB. The company is located by the beautiful West Lake in Hangzhou City, Zhejiang Province. At present has hundreds of suppliers, so that our products can meet the needs of different customers. The current products cover fasteners, hand tools, power tools, hydraulic tools, pump valves, and other auto parts and mechanical products. The products have involved steel, machine tools, textiles, chemicals, mining, electric power, machinery manufacturing, and other industries. The company has a professional sales team of nearly 20 people, providing customers with high quality and comprehensive services before, during, and after sales, and can provide standardized products and customized solutions at the same time, in order to provide customers with worry-free service. We listen to customers' ideas wholeheartedly and provide customers with a full range of services from product development, quality control, order follow-up, and after-sales service. At present, the company will continue to optimize product quality to provide customers with professional certification and high-quality services. We are committed to proposing close partnerships with customers to achieve win-win cooperation and gradually become a leader in China's hardware tools market.